Okay, so plus we have this assembly file that I've shared with you, which is just the 3 parts, and then we have the handle part separate, and I'm going to show you how to copy the handle part into this already assembly example. So you got to open up components, open up bodies, take body 1, right click it, and say copy. Okay, so you're copying that. Okay, then the next step is to go over to assembly, okay, under create base feature. Okay, and then once you have that selected, right click and click paste. Okay, and there it is. That's easy, right? Okay, now it's just a body at this point, so you need to turn it into components. Okay, hopefully. Bear with me here. Where's this component? There. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, I don't know why I can't turn it into component. Oh, I gotta finish base feature. Whew. Tell you what, you live to learn, right? Now create component from bodies. Okay, now you have 4 components. Okay, first thing we're going to do is click assemble and joint, hit continue. Okay, make sure the slider option is used. This you really have to learn on your own. Okay, but I use slider for this because we're sliding things up and down, inserting. Okay, and in that case, it makes sense to do a slider. Okay, you want to select each joint you want to assemble. Okay, I'm constraining the handle to the shaft. So select. Make sure the bottom of this is selected so that's the bottom face. We'll get in that. You might have to zoom in a little bit. Pan around. Well, let's just do it here to the top. Okay. Bam. Now we have it there. Okay. And then we want to offset it 3.52. So that's the Z. This offset doesn't really matter, but okay. I think it's Z. Let's see. You'll find out real fast if it's not. Bam. So now it's all the way down that hole. Hit OK. And now we move it around. We move both around together. That's pretty exciting, right? Okay. So then, okay. Now we want to copy the handle. So right click here. Okay. Copy. Did you copy there? Yeah. Okay. And then right click and hit paste. That's much easier to do, obviously. Let's move it a little bit. Type 12 inches. And then for the Y distance, okay, so that moves it up 12 inches. Then we want to flip it 180 degrees on the Z. Okay. So it flips around, so now it's the exact opposite of that. Okay. And then we'll move from there, but at least gets the orientation right. So up 12 inches, flip it around. Okay. So now we have this handle that we can move around, which is pretty dope. Okay. And then we want to do the same thing. Okay. So assemble. Let me make sure I'm going back this way. Okay. Okay. Assemble joint. Okay. Continue. Oh no. So that's capture. Okay. And then select the top. Make sure slider. Select the top. Oh. Can't. Go back to 1. X. Select the top. Okay. Select top. End of the hole. And you're like, this is a good example. Like Mr. Lorenzoni, you just ruined everything. And you're like, yep. So go. We want to move this towards that. So you got to select the handle first. The one you select first moves towards that. So we don't want to move the rod. Okay, so now we select that, and then that moves. So since the first time we selected this first, it moved towards the handle. Okay, and then we want to move the Y direction, -3.52. Down. Bam. Now we have this assembly, right? Which is dope. Okay. So now we have that assembly. Okay. Hello, Miss Fiotti. You're in my video.
Oh.
Yeah. How's class? good.
Library.
You going to the library? God, that's so next level. Look at you. That's cool. Okay. Back at it. Okay, so now we need to make sure we are assembling the ring. Okay, so we gotta get this ring on here. So once again, we want to move the ring towards the handle, so we select the ring first. So joint, capture position, make sure you get the bottom selected. Okay, bottom of that, bam, okay. And then we want to move it up a little bit, so I just moved it up 0.2 inches. Oops, this direction. Oh, Control Z. Oh, that didn't work. Redo. Redo. Nope. I'll try again. Sorry, guys. Joint. Capture position.
Do you have any cabinet keys?
Cabinet keys. Mr. Daly's in the video too. Okay, back at it. Just help Mr. Daly. Okay, so we gotta select the bottom. Zoom in to make sure. Okay. Select bottom. Bam. And we need to select top of that. Bam. Then Z. I'm gonna offset 0.2. Bam. So now it's up because we don't want it right on the edge there, obviously. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to show you how to do is do the handle. Okay. And then, do the bead, and then you're going to be doing the rest on your own. Alright, does that kind of make sense? This. Okay, so joint, capture position. Gotta make sure we have the bottom of it, which we do. Okay. Top of that, which we do. Okay. And then we want to do like 0.05 offset maybe. Bam. Okay. And then we have a great assembly here. Okay. And then you would be able to finish the rest because you now know how to copy parts and you know how to assemble them. Okay. But here we are with our assembly. Cool. So now you've learned how to make all different types of components, different ways to make components, and now you learn how to assemble them together. So next thing we're going to learn is simulation, stress analysis, and videos. Awesome. Thanks.